What's up, guys? So today we're talking about some snaps. I just discovered these snaps, which are super cool. Now these are the ones that I've always been used to. I've been playing with these ever since I was a little kid. These are, sold all kinds of places. You could probably buy them online, although I'm sure there's some, shipping restrictions and stuff. But I happened to find these at an odd lot. You can see for this big pack, paid $5. All right, so what we have here, let me open this up, show you. By the way, new Ozark trail knife we're going to do a video on eventually. Let's take a box out of here. All right, put this back. All right, so we have here is a little box of some snappers, or snaps. So you open it up, you got a little bag, and there's little twisted pyrotechnics, I guess if you can call them that. And they're packed in some sawdust, and that's basically to cushion it a little bit so that they don't rub against each other and pop. Alright, so let's take our knife back out. Okay, open this bag up. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen these before. It's basically a little chemical, looks like rock salt or something, and it's twisted in these little paper balls. And when you throw them against hard surface, they pop. Very simple concept. Nope, I didn't throw that one hard enough. Alright, so they're really fun. Fun for kids to play with and stuff. Now these are so weak that you can pop them in your hand by just twisting them. Alright, it doesn't hurt or anything. Alright. Alright, so here's the one I didn't drop hard enough. Let's open this up so we can take a look at it. Okay, you can see it's just these little rock-like chemical. I'll probably annotate down here in the bottom what this actually is. But yeah, when that rubs together, it pops. Alright. Just like that. Now here's where things get interesting. These I bought on accident. Now I got these for my niece and nephew. Alright, just to have some fun, throw around a little bit when they're outside. But I got these totally on accident, thinking that they were those type of snaps. And these are very different. These actually say adult snaps, and they're much more powerful. Alright, very similar concept here. There's all the sawdust and stuff, but you can see right away that these, they look like little firecrackers. Alright, but they work exactly the same. They're just a lot louder, a lot more powerful. So throwing this on the ground, I don't know if you could tell, but that is like 100 times louder. That is incredibly stronger than the other ones. So I'm going to do one more here before the neighbors start getting upset. Alright, so I happen to pay $1.88 for these, and there's probably about 20 or 25 in the box, so it's much more expensive in comparison to the other one, where I paid $5 for 16 boxes of 50. Alright, so again, here's the comparison between the two, but it really is night and day. That's crazy. Alright, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.